and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a Swiss Army knife that I bought from Wish. Now, Wish is a good way to go on some products, but on some products they're not. But I'm very pleased with this one. So, I already opened it, and this is what it looks like. Very good quality, very heavy, very easy to open. Opens like that, and then it's easy to close if you don't chop off your fingers, which you won't, but watch out for your fingers. And it's got this little hook thing that also has a little knife, and I bought it on Wish for $6, and the shipping was $5, and I got it in today, and I really like it, so I'm gonna give it a big thumbs up. Good job, Wish. Okay, bye. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and leave a like if you want me to do more videos like this. Okay, thank you, and have a great day.